So there's this tap and die set, and that I got from Amazon. And luckily this one is labeled, so I found the M6 is what I need. M6 into 1, and I think I'm supposed to mount it in this thing that could give me leverage. And I think this mounts, there should be a way to mount this. I suppose this is where I insert it, and this is the part that actually creates the threads. So I'm supposed to mount this in here and then tighten it. So that's what I'll do. Maybe loosen this. And then put this in like this at the right angle. And then loosen this back. And I'll use both my hands to tighten this, so then I can tap this second hole and make it bigger.